Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Welcome back to online classes again. So in the last class we have seen some of the problems in the constructions, that is dividing the line segment in the given ratio, and we have seen some of the similar triangles also. But similar triangles are not there for your syllabus this time, only line segments as well as tangents. Okay na? So yesterday I told about how to draw the tangents. Okay, we'll start with the exercise today. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Please get ready with your weapons. Weapons means the instruments. Now take ruler and compass. Fix pencil to the compass. Take 6 centimeters radius. Be fast. Take 6 centimeter radius and draw a circle. Fast please. Yes. From here to here. O to A. How many centimeters? 6 centimeters. From a point 10 centimeters away from its center. Already 6 centimeters is there. 10 centimeters means how many centimeters we have to take? Yes. Still we have to take 4 centimeters. This is nothing but P. Here it is 4 centimeters. Did you understand? Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Already you have drawn and we have also drawn. Now, yes, draw a radius, take radius and extend this line to P such a way that O to P must be 6 plus 4, 10 centimeters. From a point 10 centimeters away from its center, construct a pair of tangents. Now very simple. Now over. Now you do one thing. Take your compass. Take more than half. Now we have to bisect the OP. We should bisect OP. How to bisect? Take your compass. Fast. Be fast. Take your compass. Put the pencil. Approximately from here to here it is 6. Here to here it is 4 means approximately take more than half. Now cut like this. Draw one arc and draw one more arc. Draw one more arc and draw one more arc. That's all. So this is nothing but your center for this OP. Are you understanding? Yes. Okay now? Let me draw properly. I will draw properly. Yes. Now, from here, take this point as center, draw an arc. Yes. Draw circle by taking this, that is PQ as center. Now, very simple. Where it intersects the previous circle, you just join. That's all. This is one and this is second one. So this is X and this is Y. Are you understanding? P to X and P to Y. And we have and measure their lengths. What will be the lengths we have to select? Very simple. Okay na? So how to select this? Yes, very simple. Now do like this. Do like this. We know that it is nothing but right triangle, because we know the tangent, yes, the tangent will be always perpendicular to the radius of the circle, that is 90 degrees. Okay na? Yes. From here to here how much it is there? 6. Here to here it is 6 plus 4. We have to find out this. Okay na? Shall we find out? By using which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Very simple. Okay na? Right. Px square is equals to xo square plus op square. Right? So px, sorry, it is not px. It is 90 means So we should take like this. OP square is equals to OH square plus PH square. Now OP square is 10 square, OH square is 6 square plus PH square. Okay na? PX. Now 10 square is 100 minus 36 equal to PH square. Therefore PH square equal to 64. Therefore, Px equal to 8 centimeter. When Px is 8 centimeter, therefore Px is equals to Py equals to 8 centimeters. Why? Why tell me? Yes, because in the circle chapter we have proved that the tangents drawn from the external point are equal. That means what? Px equal to Py, and it is nothing but equal to 8 centimeters. One more time you see. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. We have drawn a circle of 6 centimeters as radius. From a point 10 centimeters away from its center. From here already 6 centimeters is there. Again 10 centimeters means 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore 4 centimeters we extended. From that then you bisect. After bisecting, take Q as center, draw a circle which should pass through O and P. Now, where let OP, this circle is intersecting the previous circle at X and Y, you just join PX and PY, they are the required tangents. That is nothing but PX and P, these are the required tangents. Okay na? So very simple, right? Do you understand? Yes. This is the way you should construct a tangent from the external point. Okay? Right. Take note. Yes. Ready for the second problem? Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length, also verified by actual calculation. Yes, be ready with. Take first compass. Take 6 cm radius. First, draw a circle. First, draw a circle. This is how many centimeters? 4 centimeter. Afterwards, you draw another concentric circle. Do you know what is the meaning of concentric? Concentric means the center will be same for these. So from here, this is O and this is A. Now from this to we have to draw tangent to this. Very simple. Yes, from here to here it is 6 centimeter, right? Yes, this is 4 centimeters. Now here to here that is 6 centimeters. This we have to, what we have to do is very simple. First to bisect. Do you know how to bisect the side? It is nothing but perpendicular bisector only. Are you understanding? Yes. Take compass, draw one arc like this and like this over. Right. So this is nothing but 1P. Okay na? Now very simple. Now by taking P as center, draw circle which is passing through A. Which is passing through A. Now where it will join, it just, it is nothing but a T, it is nothing but a Q, here you take a T and it is nothing but a, where is that? Now Also verify by actual calculation. We will take this. Now take this is 4 centimeter. Here to here it is 90 degrees. Therefore OA square is equals to OQ square plus QA square. OA square is 6 square. OQ square is 4 square plus QA square. Now QA square 636 equal to 16 plus QA square. So 36 minus 16 is equals to QA square. 20 equal to QA square. 20 can be written as 5 into 4 equal to QA square. Therefore QA equal to square root of 5 into 4. It is nothing but 2 root 5 centimeters. We know that from the external point, if you draw means the tangents both are same. Therefore AQ is equals to AP is equals to 2 root 5 centimeters. So like this we have to calculate. Understood? So here very simple. First what he has given, a circle of 4 centimeter. We draw 4 centimeter. One more concentric circle of 6 centimeters. Concentric means what I told, the center will be same for both. Therefore one more. Now bisect this OA, then let it be intersected T. Now T as center, by joining O and A, you draw a circle where the circle will intersect the 4 centimeter circle. There you just join them. Then these two are the required tangents, AQ and AP. According to the figure, since it is a Pythagoras theorem, because both are similar triangles only, right? Both are congruent triangles, not similar triangles, both congruent. Because it is also radii, it is also radii. This is common, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Therefore, RHS, these two are congruent. Like that we can prove. Now you see, OA square equal to OQ square plus QA square. OA square is 6 square. OQ square is 4 square plus QA square. 6 square is 36 is equals to 16 plus QA square. Therefore, QA square equal to 36 minus 16. That is nothing but 20. 20 is nothing but 2 root 5. Therefore, the length of the two tangents is how much? Yes, 2 root 5 centimeters. Please take down. Yes, one more problem. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Yes, be fast. Take compass and draw 3 centimeter as the radius one circle. One circle, that is O. This is A. Right up? Okay. Next. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 meters from its radius. Now already how much it is there? 3 centimeter. This is also diameter. Diameter must be extended both the ways, such a way that from center it is 7 centimeters. 7 means already 3 is there. Therefore one more 4 centimeters. Here also same. Here also same. It is nothing but 4 centimeters. Okay na? Now P and Q. Yes. Now we should construct the tangents from P and Q to this circle. Very very simple. First let us take this side. Okay na? Now bisect OA. Bisect OA means what? Yes, take more than half. Yes, like this. Next like this and like this. Just over. Yes. Yes. They are cutting at, for example, X. Okay na? Now draw the circle by taking X as center. Yes. Yes. Now join this. Where the circle is touching, you join them. Then it is nothing but, for example, if it is B, it is X and it is Y. Okay? Come this side. Same. Bisect. Bisect means take more than half. Yes. Like this. Like this. Next. Cut this. Let it be C. Now take C as center. Draw one more circle. Yes. Okay na? Now over. Now very simple. Join the same. Yes. It is nothing but yes, D and E. So construction almost over because we have drawn from P to this circle and Q to this circle. So we should measure the draw tangent for circle. We can give verification for this. First verification we do like this. Okay na? Yes. If you draw like this, it is nothing but 90 degrees. Now you can see in triangle OXP or OPX, OP square is equals to OX square plus PX square. Okay na? OP square is 3 plus 4, 7 square is equals to 3 square plus PX square. It is nothing but 49 minus 9 equal to PX square. Okay na? 7 square how much? Yes, 49 and 3 square 9, it is nothing but 40 PX square. So 40 means what? 4 into 10 is equals to PX square. Therefore PX is equals to, yes, 2 root 10 centimeter. Therefore not only PX, it is PY also. Therefore PX equal to PY equal to same. Here also QE is equals to same. These are also and QD is equals to 2 root 10 centimeter. Because here to here is also 7 centimeters. From here to here also 7 centimeters. Okay na? Therefore first you draw like this. First you draw by taking this bisect, taking B as center, draw a circle which is passing through O and P. Same thing, you bisect this QO, it is bisecting at C. Now make C as center, draw a circle which is cutting the previous circle at D and E. Now join QD and QE. Now come here. How to verify? This is verification. Take this triangle. OXP is a triangle which is a right angle because always we know that the tangent drawn to the radius of the circle is always 90 degrees. Therefore it is 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees means automatically OP will be the hypotenuse. Therefore we can use Pythagoras theorem. OP square equal to OX square plus PX square. But OP square how much it is there? 3 plus 4 it is nothing but 7 square. And this is 3 square plus PX square. So after doing like this, PX square equal to we will get 40. 40 can put as 10 into 4. So if you take root, because PX square it is 40 and PX equal to 2 root 10 centimeter like this. Okay na? If it is not only like this, it is also same only because this is also 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter. Both are same only, right? But one is left side, one is the right side. I think so. I hope you understood this problem. Okay na? Okay. Next problem we'll see. Yes, one more problem. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Before going to this problem, see, just theoretical I will explain. For example, if it is a triangle, sorry, if it is a circle, if I am drawing a tangents P, Q and A, if you do like this, see what happened, we know that the tangent to a circle of any radius will be always 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. Okay, consider OP, sorry, in triangles OAP and OBP, angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90 degrees and OA equal to OA because common side and OP equal to OQ because radii of the given circle. Okay? See, that means what happened by RHS condition, that is right angle, OA is nothing but hypotenuse and OP and OQ are the two radii, therefore any side. Therefore what happened? Right angle, hypotenuse and any side, these two triangles will become congruent. That means what? OAP is congruent to OBP. Okay na? Now corresponding, see, if you know that when both are congruent means the corresponding sides as well as corresponding angles will be equal. So what happened? This angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. Did you understand? Yes. Now in the problem, so what he has given, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. At an angle of 60 degrees means what happened? 60 divided by 2. How much it is? 30 degrees. That means what? This is also 30 and this is also 30. Okay na? Okay, you see 90 plus 30 is 120, therefore it is nothing but 60. It is also 60. There are two methods are there to construct 60 degrees. Directly you can construct like this by taking 120 P and Q, or here from here you can take 30 degrees and you can join however you want. Okay na? Now understood the concept, theoretical concept? So yes, this is nothing but inclined means AP and AQ will be inclined in 30 degrees, that is 30 plus 30 is 60 degrees. Okay na? Shall we do? Yes. Shall we construct now? Yes, we will construct very simple, in a simple manner, right? Right. See, first you do one thing, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius. First draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. How much? Yes, O. How many centimeters? 6 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters. Now, take extend this point to anywhere. Nobody will ask this. For example, P is the point. Now, very simple. We should construct a tangents, but these two tangents, this tangent and this tangent must be inclined at an angle of, yes. So what I will do, I will take protractor here. Otherwise, draw an arc. Then divide this into 3 parts. Divide this into 3 parts. First part will be like this. It is nothing but how much it is? 60 degrees. Repeat the same thing. Cut. Over. Okay na? 100% what happened? 60 plus 60 it is 120. Now where it will join? Just join this, that's all. 100%, this will be 30 degrees, this will be 30 degrees, because it is 90 degrees, it is also 90 degrees. Okay na? 100% it will be 90 degrees. Did you understand now? Yes? Over. Like this. Now you can 5 centimeter here. Yes? This is also 5 centimeter. Now it is nothing but 90 degrees. Here it is 90, 60, 60, 120. You can check, verify one triangle. 60 plus 90, 150 plus 30 is 180. Here also 30 plus 90, 120. 120 plus 60, 180. So you can draw either like this or from here taking 30 degrees and you can join the tangents. Therefore like this. Okay na? Did you understand? Yes, I hope you understood this. Very simple problem. It may come for 2 to 3 marks. Okay na? Right. Take this. Yes, one more problem. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Take fast. Take ruler. Everybody take ruler. AB. How many centimeters? 8 centimeters. Take your ruler and draw a line segment of 8 centimeters. Now, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now, actually, should draw a circle of 4 centimeters by A as center. Yes. A as center, draw an arc of how many? 4 centimeters. Okay na? Next, from B, you draw another line, another circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. Okay na? Yes. 3 centimeters. Now, from A and from B, we have to draw line segment, tangents. Very, very simple. What is our procedure? First, we should bisect this. We will bisect. Bisect means what happened? Take more than half, like this, and like this, and like this. 100% we will join at 4 centimeters. Now, taking this point as O, you take center, draw circle which is passing through A and B and this. Okay na? Yes. Now very simple, where this will join opposite sides from center to this side. Yes. And from here to here. Over. This is X, Y, and here X dash, Y dash. Okay na? That's all. Now how to find out the lengths of the tangents? You can draw very, very simple. You can find it very, very simple. It is 4 centimeters. From here to here it is 8 centimeters. Like this. In triangle. Yes, in triangle. X dash, A dash, X dash, A, X dash, B. Therefore what happened? A, B square, AB square is equals to A X dash square plus B X dash square. Now it is nothing but 8 square is equals to 4 square plus BX dash square. Therefore 64 minus 16 equal to BX dash square. So 64 minus 14 means 8, 48 is equals to B dash BX dash square. Okay na? Now very, very simple. Now 48 can be written as 16 into 3. Therefore BX, therefore 16 is nothing but 4 root 3 centimeter. This is nothing but a BX. Same thing like that also. Okay na? But here radius will become 3. This is values of this. You can verify this also. Yes, in this what happened? In ABX. in triangle ABX, what happened? This is 90 degrees, therefore AB square is equals to AX square plus XB square. So AB square is 8 square is equals to AX square as it is, and XB square is 3 square. 64 minus 9 is equals to AX square. 64 minus 9, 14 minus 9 means 5. 55 is equals to AX square. Therefore, AX equal to square root of 55 centimeter. Okay, like this. Yes. One is 4 root 3 and one more is root 50. Yes. Fifth problem. Let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 8 cm and angle B equal to 90 degrees. Very simple. First, we should construct triangle ABC, but angle AB must be 90 degrees. Either you can take BC as diameter or BC as the base or AB as the base. No problem. I will take BC as the base. Now BC as the base means first BC, draw line segment BC. Okay na? Yes. After joining this, we have to construct angle B 90 degrees. 90 means very simple. Take any radius with your compass and divide this into 3 equal parts. With the same radius, again draw again like this, and this is nothing but 90 degrees. And AB, how much it is there? 6 centimeters. Now just 6 centimeter you cut and join this. This is nothing but A. This is 8 centimeter and this is 6 centimeters. Now BD is the perpendicular on AC. How to construct perpendicular from B to B on AC? Very simple. Take your compass, take B as center such a way that it should touch AC at 2 parts. Any 2 parts. You can touch like this, you can touch like this, but it should touch. From here again like this, and again from here like this. Over. This is nothing but our D. Okay? Now take it. Yes. Over. Now you do one thing. Bisect this BC. Bisect this BC. Bisect this means what we do? Yes. Taking more than half. Here also more than half. Then bisecting. After bisecting, you draw a circle by passing through BCD. From B on AC, the circle through BCD is drawn. The circle drawn to BCD. Therefore, start from this. Like this. Yes. Yes. The circle formed now to BCD. Now very simple. This point is known as E. Just you join this. Now after joining, see the circle through BC drawn. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. For this circle we have to construct. So directly we can't take. Correct or not? Yes. Therefore, we will take like this. Okay na? How to take? Now very simple. Join AE. Now again bisect. Again bisect means like this. It is bisecting From here you draw one more circle. Yes. It will touch A, B. It will not touch D like this, but it will touch E like this. Next, from here, where it will touch, that is nothing but F and A to B already is there. Okay, na? Yes. So A, B and AF are the two tangents drawn from A. Okay, na? Understood? Yes. This is the yes. Last problem of this academic year 2021. You see, draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Now take your bangle, any bangle, draw a circle. Okay, drawn. Next, take a point outside the circle. Now we should draw tangents from the point. To draw this, first we should know how to find out the center. Very, very simple. Take two cards, wherever you want. I am taking two cards like this. Now, A, B and C, D are the two cards. Now you do one thing. Bisect AB. Bisect AB means what? More than half and more than half. Over. Okay, na? Yes. Next one, you bisect this. You bisect this means what? Like this and like this. Yes. This is nothing but center. Where both perpendiculars will join, no? That itself is nothing but center. Now you take the point P. Very, very simple. Now we don't know radius, Now bisect that. Again taking more than half like this and like this, and it will cut like this. Taking this as center, that is O dash. Now draw a circle. Over from this point. Yes. From this point, yes. If you want to measure, you can measure like this. It is 90 degrees. It is, yes, it is also 90 degrees. Okay, na? Now PX and Px and Py are the two tangents. Okay, na? Draw a circle with triangle. So how to find out center? You know, you came to know. Yes, you should start. You should find out the center, and remaining will be like a first chapter, first lesson. Okay. Thank you everyone for giving me such a wonderful cooperation from your side. Because this is the last problem for your academic year 2020-21. Even though COVID did not allow us to meet, but through online classes we completed the syllabus successfully. For that reason, thank you everyone, because for bearing me for all the chapters. You have to bear only, otherwise you can't learn anything. Okay? Whether you like me or not, that is not so important, but you should learn the concept. Yes, okay? Who is teaching what? Nobody. Okay? But what he or she is teaching, there only you should take the concepts. Okay? I hope you enjoyed all the sessions. You understood all my problems and concepts for this academic year. Okay, thank you one more time. Wish you all the best for your examinations. Take care. God bless. Okay.